Hey guys, today I'm going to show you step by step how to integrate Google AdSense into your website. Connecting your site properly is the single most important step to launching your website side hustle and earning passive income. Personally, I've had multiple sites approved by AdSense, and so far they've made me around $4,500. Most of my sites are tool-based platforms like an online drawing tool, an M3 U8 video player, and some web pages, etc. I run both Chinese and English sites, and honestly, some of them are actually very simple, consisting of just a few web pages. So next, I'll explain how to connect your site to AdSense. First, open the official website of AdSense. The URL is adsense.google.com. Then click Sites on the left. On this page, you add and manage all your websites. If you add a new website, click New Site. Then enter the website URL. For example, click Save. Then the next step is to verify website ownership. There are 3 verification methods. I personally prefer the second one, the as.txt method. Directly create a file as.txt in the website root directory and then paste this text over. Okay, I open my website root directory. I'm using FlashFXP to manage remote server files. Create a new file. as.txt. Copy and paste and save. Okay, it's right here. Then click verify. Okay, your site is verified. Next, just click request review. And the next is the waiting time. It usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks to review the final approval email. Yeah, as you can see, the process is very easy. Once your site gets approved by AdSense, the next step is to add the ad code. Click on Ads on the left menu of AdSense, then click Copy AdSense code. You will need to copy and paste this piece of code into the header of your website. Let me show you how it's done. I'll open my website homepage, index.html, and then locate the head tag. Copy, and then paste here. Save the file. Alright, we are all set. Then just wait for the ads to show. Google will automatically start displaying ads on your website. Oh guys, there is one more thing that needs to be mentioned. Before submitting the website for review, it's best to check your own website first to see if there are any problems. Do not submit carefully. Make sure your website meets the policy requirements of AdSense, such as essential pages, about page, privacy page, etc. For example, as.txt can be accessed, and the number of pages reaches the requirement. In addition, the website cannot be too simple. You must have at least 30 or more pages of content. Otherwise, Google will consider the website low value. In short, check it before submitting for review. I recommend checking according to AdSense website specifications, and I have put the relevant links in the video description area.